Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Tuition. In this video, we are not going to learn anything or create anything, but we just want to ask you what you wanted to learn. What you want to learn after we complete the JavaScript tutorial series this weekend. I got plenty requests to start React tutorial series. So my question is, should we start a React tutorial series or you wanted to learn anything else? The more requests I got, I will start that language tutorial series. So I have created a poll on top right corner of the screen. Say yes if you wanted to start a React tutorial series, or say other to start other language tutorial series, and just comment me what you wanted to learn. I will make that tutorial series for you. From the next week, we will start a new tutorial series based on your requested language. Thank you for supporting me and for almost 5,000 subscribers. Your support makes me more motivated. Keep connected with me because I am doing everything for you. So if you support me to do anything, then I am happy to do that thing. I request to all my subscribers to comment me if you have any problem regarding to the tutorial series or the tutorial videos. I personally recommend you to watch my every video because you will get something new in every video. In every tutorial, you will learn something interesting. If you wanted to learn anything else, then you can tell me in the comment. I will definitely make a video on your topic. Don't forget to vote in the poll. That's it. I will see you in the new tutorial series.